Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nesra Gowda. So today I'm back with another pick a card video. This is going to be very interesting, trust me. So because this is something different than I usually do. If you guys are new here, then please consider subscribing my channel. If you have not yet, here I'll be uploading pick a card videos on different topics. If you guys are interested in suggesting me any of the pick a card topics, then feel free to put it down in the comment section. I'll definitely go through all the comments for sure. Yeah, so today's topic is what are the major shift is gonna happen in your life for the next 7 days. Okay, it could be in your career life, it could be in your love life, it could be in your relationship, it could be in your family, financial. Okay, there are some cards which I have kept behind all these. Sorry, I just showed it up. Maybe no. Okay, I'll shuffle it anyways. There are some cards which I have kept behind, so it will tell where is the major shift in your life is gonna happen. So feel free to pause the video at any moment. If the introduction is clear, then choose any one option, any one card. The timestamps for the given card are given in the description. Okay, I shall see you all in your readings. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the very first option, so your reading is here. Okay, let us see what are the major shift where it is gonna take place in your life for the next 7 days. Okay, so let me see. The first one is the family, so it could be a positive change or it could be negative. Okay, and the next one is the relationship. Okay, so if you guys are already in any love relationship, then there is some major shift which is gonna happen for the next 7 days. And if you guys are away from your family, or there may be chances of you moving away from your family because of some purpose. It could be job, work, or there is some major shift which is gonna happen in your relationship and in your family life. So let us keep this card here. So sorry for the sound. Okay, what are the major shift which is going to happen in your family and the relationship life? Okay, it could be also, linked to each other. Maybe there is some change is gonna happen in your relationship, so that indirectly gonna make some changes in your family life, or there may be some changes in your personal life, so that is gonna make some changes in your relationship life. That could be also the thing. Okay, let me see what is the reason there is a shift going to happen in the next 7 days. First of all, whenever you watch the video, no matter when you watch, the next 7 days after you watch, this is the prediction. Okay, what is making, what changes are going to happen? The first card, let me see. Oh my god. Okay, we got the three of swords. This is the reason, this is the shift it's gonna happen. And why? Okay, for the why, we got the major arcana, that is the world card. And what are the solution, what are the thing you can make, okay, to come out of that thing. Okay, okay, we got the three of swords. This is something equal to a heartbreak card for you guys, option one. So I could see here, major shift is gonna affect your heart very badly in the next 7 days. So if it is already happened already, that you might, some of you might have broke up with your loved one, or some of you might get into some, in conflict with your family members, or there will be some information about you. I'm so sorry for this. This is not always have to be in a negative way, but some information regarding your relationship or regarding your family life, it's gonna break your heart. It shouldn't always be very negative. Okay, when it comes to relationship, there will be some truth, it's gonna come out from nowhere in next 7 days, which is going to hit you very badly, which is going, making you realization of something in your relationship. You're going to get some clarification about something. Definitely, there will be some major shift in next 7 days, which is definitely going to, you know take you far away with all those strong air, okay, because there will be some information coming through your ways, because this swords is nothing but the information or some, yeah, some messages which is going to come all through your way in next 7 days. It could be related to your family or a relationship, which is going to make a major shift in your family and relationship too. So if you already have some indication about this thing, then I suggest you go through this so that it won't hit in your next 7 days. mm, okay, this the situation is gonna happen, this is the thing you're gonna feel in next 7 days. And why? The reason is, we got the world card for the reason. This is not at all a negative card. This is why the shift is gonna happen in your family and in your relationship, my dear option one people, because this is like you are ending your old cycle and getting into a new lifestyle. You got a result of something recently, so that you are starting up with a new plan, new career plan, new lifestyle. So that is what it's gonna make a major shift in your family and relationship. For many of you, I feel like here you're gonna get a promotion in your career, or um, in your business. Many of you will get opportunity to travel from one place to another place. So definitely it gonna hit your family or relationship life, because when you move one place to another place, so definitely it's gonna make some changes in your closed people or a closed circle, because yeah, you're gonna move out far away from them, so definitely they will feel the shift in a negative way. So yeah, it is also like you are traveling from one place to another place. You got this opportunity and you have to leave your family for a while, or your relationship partner of your life for a while, and you have to travel to another place. So this is definitely gonna break your heart, not it. Mm, yeah, definitely it will break your heart. I'm feeling like um this is like ending your old past cycle. So option 1, be ready for the new shift. There is some good result is gonna come in your life for in the next 7 days, where you are going to get the result of all your effort, what you used to put all these past days. You used to work hard on something, literally very hard, for that finally you're getting the result. Okay, finally you're gonna experience a very good result for all your effort. That effort is gonna make some changes in your physical life. This is not a negative change, trust me. So there is some positive changes gonna happen, or many of you may get promotion. So you have to put 100% in your work now. So you just can't waste time, you have to get indulge in different projects. You have to study, you have to get updated. So you might be too much involving into your own business, own lifestyle, so that many of you might not you know uh, have time to spend with your loved ones. So that is like gonna make some major shift in your lifestyle. So yeah, right now you have to concentrate on your career or career life. If the major shift might have made you to lose someone, or might make you to lose someone, or go far away from people whom you really love, so that is not a bad thing, option 1. This is all because there is some you know what there is some improvement in your lifestyle. There is some changes. There is, you're focusing on your career for the next 7 days, so that is gonna make the major shift definitely into your family and relationship status. So don't worry about this. I feel like you have to concentrate now, and yeah, you have to face all those painful things, but don't lose the focus. But because this is the major shift, like this is the positive thing ever happen in your life. Finally you're getting the fruit of your effort, and you have to make use of it. Now it is the time to change your lifestyle and make best of it. Okay, what can you do? What are the solutions you can do in order to come out? What you guys can actually do? We got the 5 of cups. Okay, so recently you might face some heartbreaks in the next 7 days. So this card is giving me the indication that don't just just focus on what you lost or what you're feeling. Don't give attention to your emotions. Now it is the time to focus on what you have. So what I told, there is a major shift is gonna happen in the next 7 days. That is like in your lifestyle, you're gonna really face, you're gonna get promotion, you're gonna get some good lifestyle. So now the time is to enjoy and move on with your life, not to dwell into the past and keep regretting. No, never do regression in your life. Option 1, already you have the other 2 cups standing behind you. I think you have to give importance for that. See the card, there are 2 cups remaining. I always look at this 5 of cups as a blessing card, because it's gonna tell us that no, you still have remaining things to be seen, for remaining things where you have to give attention into your life. Not just, this person is not just looking at the 3 of cups which have already fallen. So you guys might face a heartbreak in the next 7 days. It shouldn't always be breaking completely from people. It's just like going far away, or making them feel you might not giving them time these days. I mean, these in next 7 days, it might gonna make some major shift in your family and relationship life. So this card is like, I'm telling you, option 1. So just don't look at what you lost, or what is the paining right now, what is gonna pain right now in the next 7 days. So you have to concentrate on your life. There is a major shift, and the positive shift is gonna happen, which is like you are grabbing your world, your thing of happiness is gonna come. So now concentrate on your lifestyle, now concentrate on your career, or whatever you are into. If you are a student, then now the major shift is gonna come, so you have to put 100% into it. So now this is the not to time to look at what you lost or what is that paining right now. I think now you have to concentrate on what you have, what is the main thing that is still standing up behind you. What are those things that are still there in your life? What you have lost, this is not the time to concentrate what you have lost or what is that paining. Okay, so I wish you all concentrate on some good things. And so major shift is gonna happen for you, option 1. So I wish everything will go smoothly as I have told. Take it very smoothly. Don't take it very badly, or don't hurt yourself in this process, because this is like you are taking your career, your life, giving it as a priority. Okay, not the rest. The rest will come. So I think you have to now concentrate on the main features, the world. This is the major arcana, and this is the major shift. So you have to concentrate always on the major thing, and what you have lost, don't dwell into the past. That is the suggestion I can give you, option 1. So that is all I have for you. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the second option, so your reading is here. Let us see the where are the major shift which is gonna happen in your life for the next 7 days. Okay, mainly major shift is going to happen in your financial status and the close people to your heart. Major shift is gonna happen in between these two, option 2. Yeah, these two, option 2. So I think there is some positive changes is gonna come into your life in the next 7 days, which is also gonna happen in those heart of your closed one. So those who are all close to your heart, dearest to your heart, there is some positive changes, or there also could be a negative changes. So it's gonna happen. Let us see what is the connection between the financial status, which is also going to shift in your closed circle also. This first card will tell us what is the shift is going to happen, and the second card will tell us why is going to happen, and the third is the solution for the shift, if it is positive or negative, just a solution from my side. Okay, the shift for that, we got the Knight of Wands. This is the shift is gonna happen, and why it's going to happen. We got the Knight of Cups for the why. might be related to close to your heart, because cups is all about emotions. And the solution for this is eight of wands. We got the two of wands. So I think this is something coming very fast, very full of intensity, full of passion. There is some travel, I could see that. Okay, let me see what are the major shifts it's really gonna happen in your life in the next 7 days. Okay, we got the knight of wands. I think many of you guys are, as we got the financial card here, so definitely you guys are into some new adventure, new passion, traveling new places in order to make money, in order to concentrate on yourself. I feel like for many of you might get a new opportunity in the next 7 days in order to increase your income, in order to take your passion to the next level. It could also means like you might get order from your boss, and now you have got an opportunity to increase your financial status, and now this is the best time to make it happen. This is the best time to go out of your borders and break the borders and move to new territory in order to make money, in order to improve your financial status. I think this is the thing. You are, next 7 week, I think many of you guys are traveling from one place to another place. You'll be in full of excitement mode, no doubt in that option too. So be ready for this beautiful adventurous thing is gonna come. You're gonna just get into your vehicle and pack all your clothes, be ready for it, and just be active. I just want to say be active, because that is gonna make a major shift in your financial status, no doubt. There is no doubt. This is a positive way, this is the positive shift which is going to get some very good coins into your life. So this is not just getting into some new job, or making your financial status to improve. This is also means that you are following your heart, following your passion, following your type of vibe, going into your type of vibe that will really make you feel happy, not just getting some money into your life. This is not just about financial, I feel like that. So be ready for this new adventurous thing which is gonna happen in the next 7 days. Option 2. Okay, why it's gonna happen, why the shift is happening, what is the reason? You guys are going into new world, I mean a new territory, new thing, new business, or it could be new adventurous thing. Why it's going to happen? Let us see the reason. This is something very amazing card which can come out of the deck, because this is like a person you can already see holding that cups, nothing but holding his heart towards someone. I feel like you are moving into new place, new you're going to meet new people. Actually you are meeting your loved one, which is your closed one. You're even going to new territory, might be you're transferring to new place where the energy is gonna meet you to this new person of your life, or someone who was very close to you. You really didn't meet them from a very long time. Now the time has come to meet the closed person of your life. Option 2, that is like might be you are going for your career purpose, and there you're going to meet someone very close to your heart. There might also you might also face a situation where you have to travel for something, where you have to pack up all these things, and unfortunately you might meet someone special, someone who was special, or and now you're gonna meet them after a long time, which is like that is the passion, that is the love of your life. That could be your love of your life. It could also means that you are traveling to different places, or you are going somewhere to make some money, or really concentrate on your financial thing, and there you find love into that business, love in your career. You might feel the new excitement, new passion. You just love it, you just love that you are whatever you'll be doing in the next 7 days, which is going to make a major shift in your financial status, because definitely you're going to work on something. So there will be, you love it because that will indirectly make some major shift into something which is close to your heart. Okay, so I feel like you are making some coins or you are growing in your career, so definitely someone close to your heart is gonna feel happy, is going to feel the new love, is going to feel very very specially, right? This is something special because you are following your passion, and this indirectly making the closed people, your closed people, very happy in the next 7 days. You should be proud of it. Option 2, this is something beautiful. I just love this reading. um Okay, let me see what are the suggestions for this. I really don't have to say any kind of suggestions because this is something amazing. You're following your heart, you're following your passion, you're following your thing, you're getting into your vibe in the next 7 days, which is indirectly going to improve your financial status. This is something close to your heart. I love this card actually. We don't know what is close to your heart. It could be a person, a special person in your life. It could also means you love your passion, you love your career, you love something close to your heart. In some sorry something which is very very close to your heart. So finally you're gonna grab all those things in the next 7 days. So let us see what are the solutions we could find so that if we can enhance the happiness in your life. It could also means that there is some suggestions for you. Option 2, that is 8 of wands, sorry, 6 of wands. So okay, I don't feel this is a card as a suggestion card, because I feel like this is something outcome card of all your effort. This is something. Option 2, you got a wonderful reading. Okay, this is like 6 of wands is a card of recognition. Finally you're getting the result of whatever you have been doing all these days. Achievement, this is like an achievement card for me. This is something, feeling proud of yourself. Right now you're feeling proud of yourself, and now you have worked hard and achieved this. This is like a wonderful news coming directly on your way. Option 2, this is also a favorable period, or this is something, for an example, you have been waiting for some contract to be signed by someone. So finally this signature, next 7 days you are getting that signature with no doubt. It's like that type of card. You were waiting for it, it's happening. You can see that people, those are rewarding this man. This is like finally you have gone through all these efforts, so you have put 100% of your efforts. Now the suggestion from my side is you have got nothing to do. Finally you'll be rewarded for what you have done. There will be growth in your financial status, there will be growth in your close to your heart. Those close to your heart, they're going to feel the vibe, feel the positiveness. So this is something luckiest week could ever happen. So now you have to just enjoy it. You have to just, okay, now the time to feel the fruit, eat the fruit, enjoy the fruit. So that is the suggestion I can give you. Option 2, because everything is positive, everything I could feel it is like a positivity is gonna happen. Major shift is gonna happen in a very positive way. All this is not happening because of luck. Something, luck came into your way. It's not like that. You are working hard and finally you are getting recognized for whatever you did. Option 2. So this is something a beautiful reading I could ever have. So next 7 days you're going to feel the major shift. Be ready to enjoy it. Option 2. So that is all I have for you this time. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button. Please to subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, those who choose the third option, so your reading is here. Okay, let us begin with the play where are the major shift is gonna happen in your life. Okay, let me see where are the, okay, mainly major shift is going to happen in your career and in your friend zone. Option 3. So in the next 7 days there will be some situation which is going to shift in your career life, and going to make a major shift in your friend zone, friends, yeah, friendship, in your closed friends group. So be ready for it. This could be a positive change or this could be a negative change also. Let us see what are the reasons, what are the suggestions I could give for you. Option 3. Okay, the first card is gonna tell us what are the major shift really is gonna happen in your life in the next 7 days, and the second card will tell us why it's going to happen, and the third card will tell us what are the suggestions I could give you. Option 3. So what are the major shifts? The first card is the Eight of Wands, and the second card, this is the why is going to happen, the Hierophant, and the third card is the Nine of Swords. Amazing. So major shift is going to happen in your life, that is Eight of Wands. As you guys can already see that the wands are, directly falling into your life from nowhere. In the next 7 days it's gonna hit you from, I mean, like, it should not be the negative way, but yes, it is coming from a long different places, so it's directly gonna touch you in the next 7 days in a very effective way. So in order to enhance your career, in order to enhance your friendship zone, it could be anything. You have to decide which one is yours thing, because many of you might be still a student, many of you might have got a new job recently, so finally you're gonna get new opportunity, new in order to enhance your talent, in order to enhance your yeah, final passion, your passion, in order to get into your dream life. I feel like there is many opportunity coming your way in the next 7 days. There is new shift is going to happen where, like, there will be some new news is going to come your way. For an example, if you are waiting for your dream job, so finally you're gonna get the interview call from those jobs, which is indirectly you are gonna it could be a good news, like your friends are getting into a same job, getting into a same company, or getting into a same industry. It could also means like you are going into new job, or you are finally getting back to your job where you are gonna meet your friends, where it is indirectly affecting your friends friendship also. So it could also means like you are getting too much involved in your business, because there is some new opportunities, possible opportunities you're gonna get, which is why you couldn't really make time for your friends. It could also be like that. There's some major shift which is going to happen in your career life and your friends life. Option 3. So this is like all of a sudden, this will come very fast, this will hit you very fast, because the news will come all of a sudden from nowhere that you got opportunities in this field. Finally you have been waiting for it, and finally you got. Now it is the time for you to take it as a very good a gift from God. Option 3. And you have to just work on it. You'll get no time to just think about it. It will just fall far away from nowhere, and you'll have no time in the next 7 days. I am damn sure it is going to make you be busy. You will be busy in the next 7 days. I don't know why did I write the emoji in a sad way in the friendship. Okay, so definitely I feel like you really don't get time for all friendship, to all those entertainment, all those hangouts. You might be very busy that I feel like you really don't have you'll not have time to spend with your friends. It could be like that. Option 3. So I don't know why did I really write the emoji in a sad face. Yeah, if you are busy with your own thing, then definitely your friends will feel like, okay, these many days we had one of our friend with us, with together with us, now that person is busy. There might be chances of them speaking behind you, okay, this person is now busy, no time for us, no time for friends. Don't worry, we got why the major shift is gonna happen. Let me see why. because we got the Hierophant option 3. I feel like finally in the next 7 days you feel like you really have to take your career, your life very seriously. If you're not into career, then education. If it is education, you feel like now it is the time to take very seriously. Now I feel like in the next 7 days many of you gonna learn about something, get into learning about something. You really get spiritual knowledge about something. You might also find truth about something. See, this 8 of wands could be also a card of a truth coming from a nowhere. You could also hear a truth about something which is definitely going to shift your career life and a friendship life. It For an example, you might hear a truth or information about your career life, okay, that is going to happen, that is happening. So you will gain knowledge about it, and you feel like now it is the time to make use of the knowledge and get into serious into my career. And now the time to move, take my life to the next life. Now the time to have progress in your life. This is like you'll get an opportunity to learn something which will indirectly bring freedom, indirectly will there will be growth in your career life, there will be growth in overall income life. There will be some new experience of some higher level. You are going to feel the comfortness in the different way. The Hierophant is kind of this is the good card will come in a difficult time. Okay, this is like a good fortune is going to come into your life from nowhere, from universe. Okay, it's gonna support you. Whatever you do, this is going to support you. Option 3. So I feel like you next 7 days you'll get information about something, you'll get opportunity. So finally you are like, you got this opportunity, time to learn, time to use it, time to take my life to the next level. Universe have given you gift, you'll consider it as a gift, and you concentrate on your career life or in your friendship zone also. It could also means like you are going to meet new people, new person in your life in the next 7 days, which is like you're finally like you are into people with the same vibe, same type, same community. So you'll feel very happy that okay, finally I was waiting for all these friends, all these my type of people. So finally you got to learn a lot about different things from those new peoples, those your friends. So finally you're gonna spend a lot of time with them. So you are going to learn about different things that will definitely you'll feel closeness in your friendship bond, which will also enhance your career growth for many of you in the next 7 days. There will be some opportunity coming your way from nowhere. You're making use of the opportunity. So finally this shift is going to happen for many of you. Option 3. So be ready for it. You are going to learn different things, you are going to experience different things, because it is going to hit very fast. The information, new experience, new opportunity is going to come very fast in the air. So you'll have no time. This will give you pleasure in return also. Okay, what are the suggestions I could give? I don't know why did I get for suggestion 9 of swords, but it's okay. Let us see why we got. What are the suggestions I could give you? This card also means for me a nightmare about something. Being insomniac, you couldn't you could not able to sleep for the next 7 days, because I feel like there is a new information coming your way, which is definitely you're going to be overwhelmed by this. You will be in a fear, because the new opportunity is coming your way. You don't know whether it is going to happen or not, whether it will give you a good result or not. If it is related to career, then I'm doing my hard work, the new opportunity have come all over my way and I have taken it. Now what will happen? You might get into this type of fears in the next 7 days. Yeah, you're going to put your 100%, but there will be that anxiety, there will be the stress, there will be feeling of fearful about the future. There will be new information coming your way from nowhere, which you'll feel overwhelmed definitely. So this is is a suggestion card that don't be stressed about anything. Now it is the time to feel the truth. You have to take all the opportunities, you have to feel the pain. We never get the success without really experiencing the pain, option 3. So now it is the time to take it. Now it is the time to take it as a new adventurous thing. Feel the pain, feel the stress, feel the anxiety, but don't lose your patience. Now don't really get into depression. This is your thing, your happiness. This is everything is going to happen for your life. So definitely I could see there's a major shift it's going to happen in your career. If you're not in career, there is a major shift which is going to happen in your friend zone. You're getting new information about your friendship. So though it overwhelms you, though it is negatively impacts you, option 3, now it is like you are knowing the truth, you're gaining knowledge about something, about someone. If it impacts you in a negative way, you have to come over it, because this is the challenge. Life is full of challenges, full of opportunities. Now you have to face the challenge. Don't get into depression. Time passes. This is 9 of swords. Is like, okay, you're feeling the pain right now. You might feel it for some time, but definitely you will get over from it. Now is the time to get over from it. Now is the time to feel the opportunity, take it in a new way. You have to take it as a painful way also, and you have to overcome it. You have to be adventurous in the next 7 days, option 3. There is no time for you. You'll be very busy in doing your thing. There will be new opportunities, new ways of improving your life is going to come, which will definitely make a major shift in your career, major shift about in your friend zone. Okay, that is all I have for option 3. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, please to subscribe to my channel. You guys can also suggest me any new topics if you have. I'll definitely go through it. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video, take care. Bye bye.